semi-main event. Adam, the boss Ross, 27-year-old, sells, consultant, I guess, motivation to challenge myself with the ultimate challenge. Yeah, obviously he's not just. He is 187 centimeters and 92 kilograms. Well, let's just see what kind of shape he's in at 92. Should this 27-year-old possibly be 81? Yes, he should be. As I thought. Oh my God, he's been watching UFC fights. I gotta hug the crew, hug the crew. It's amazing what people see on the TV and then they transform into their lives. Well, I know, he's going to run. He's running around the ring. Oh yeah, I'm going to do the bending exercise. I'll do the bending exercise and the tapping my foot on the floor. Yeah, I'll put my gloves on there and yeah. I'll keep my knees moving. Yeah, I'll shake my wrist because that always looked good. I'll put the other glove on and I'll give that a shake, thumb shirt out, have a chat with the trainer. I'll say, rhubarb. Looks like having a conversation. Here we go. The John Travolta of boxing, Grease Lightning. Evann, with two ends. Doumanis. Grease Lightning, 25, 182 centimeters and 86 kilograms. He is a leverage sports sponsorships. Sounds like somebody do javelin. His motivation is getting punched in the face, least favorite pastime. This will help to get over it. So he's here for a clinical psychology session. Got to say, he's looking a little bit fitter than his opponent. He's got the dancing moves. Oh yeah, he's got the arms and the legs moving at the same time. We don't see that very often. Head guard on, also straight into the head guard placement. Okay, everything stopped. The boss is doing the cha-cha. Referee's checking the gloves. Asking him, do you know you hear the box? Yes, I do know I'm here the box. Great, thank you for your information. Well done, cornerman, for getting him here. And over to the other guy. Over to Grease Lightning. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. Yeah, I'm just getting my gum shield in. Swig of water. No, yeah, no, okay, you can chat with me. Yeah, my gloves look good. Yeah, you can twiddle my nuts. And yeah, I know I'm here to fight. Okay, let's get on with it. Yeah, congratulations, cornerman. Okay, gentlemen, you know, yeah, good evening. You know, you're here to fight, and yeah, touch gloves and eye each other off, and but don't actually look at each other. Get back in your corners and dance around a little bit. Look good, look good, look good. Okay, the bell's gone, and off you go. Okay, let's play touch gloves. Okay, here we go. Jab, jab, jab. Grease Lightning's in with his jab and his right. He nearly touched the opponent. Grease Lightning's got the left happening, and the right. The boss has got the gloves on, has defended. He's only learned how to defend. Oh no! He's got the blind doors open. He's swinging and swinging and swinging. Here we go. Oh, we got the wrestling. WWF happening too. WWF with gloves. Yeah. Tap the referee on the glove, on the ass. There we go. Here we go. Touch. Find my distance. Oh, the boss is just nailing him. Here we go. You can see the boss's tactic. Yep. I'm going to use my left shoulder and my right hand. Left shoulder, right hand. That's what I've got. Grease Lightning's throwing the jab out. Bob and weave. Oh, yes. Oh, he's got the technique happening. Get your right hand up, Grease Lightning. Get your right hand up. You're wide open to an uppercut. Get the elbow in. Here we go. Oh, swing and a miss. Oh, we're doing the stage fights. Here we go. Here we go. Punch, punch, punch. The boss is swinging, swinging, swinging. Yep, looks like the boss does a bit of work on Jackson's on George as the doorman. Yep, now his headgear's playing up. Here we go, touch gloves, here we go, it's back in. Oh no, the boss has got the left hand, wide open to a right hook. Wide open, up and over. Come on, Grease Lightning, right hook, right hook, right hook, down and over. Oh yes, another go. The boss is weighing him up. The boss is looking to drop bombs. Drop the boss. He's a Hercules. He's a Hercules. There he goes. Oh, big bomber going in. And there's the end of the first round. Oh, I've got to touch your ass. Yeah, there we go. Well, the crowd's fired up for this one. A lot of fat men in one corner with ties and their bellies hanging over the belts. Yep, there's a lot of man love going on, a lot of touching, a lot of high fives, a lot of boos, a lot of jackets. A lot of guys, oh, yep, each one of them would love to do something to the ring girl. Absolutely, oh yeah, I've got your number, yeah, you're number 2, I've got that in my phone, I'm going to ring you later.
Come on, boys, stay this
Yep.
Grease Lightning.
Here we go. Grease Lightning. Let's get ready to rumble. And we're back in. The boss is throwing some big punches. Oh, taking some big punches too. Here we go. Oh, he's got his big right. Throwing no power in his weight. Interesting to see that the Grease Lightning has got the weight advantage over the boss. The boss looks like a bigger man. The boss is looking for the lane, the big one in. There we go. Hugging the waist. Looking to throw that big right hand. Needs to get it up. His hands, that glove must be so damn heavy. He's struggling to keep it up. What's he got in there? Come on, Grease Lightning. Keep it left up. No. Throw, punch straight, not round corners. Here we go. There we go. Left, Grease Lightning. Left, Grease Lightning. Right hook. Yep, that works. That's it. Through the middle. Keep it straight. Behind the shoulder. Commit to the punch. Oh no, what was that? Waving him off on the dockside. Yep, the boss is weighing him up with a big left, and they'll throw the big right. There's the big right. Takes it again. No, I must adjust my headgear. Okay, oh, what's that? Hello? No, sorry, no, I got headache. No, my head hurts. No, sorry. No, head hurts. Standing count. Here we go. Back out, touch gloves. Headache's gone. 2 Panadol. Left and left. Left, right. The boss is coming into the big right. Oh, he's caught him in the left. End of the line. Grease Lightning was thankful for the bell. Okay, the boss is obviously being the boss. He's chosen to sit down. Grease Lightning is deciding to stand up. I'm going to show you something. Yep, the fat men are cheering them on. Not like the girl fight, so the pretty girls. Evan with 2 ends, need to add another end. His name's not big enough. Up, up. Get the champagne off the canvas. Here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Greased Lightning want to take a towel in. No, you won't need that. The trainer throws that in for you. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. The boss is looking for the big one. Got the aggression up. He's gone bright red. Come on, boss man. Right hand, right hand, right hand, right hand. Keep it straight. Put your shoulder. Throw it straight, not round. Through the middle. No, 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 no. Boss is hooking, hooking. Throw straight. One straight hand. You down this man. Come on, Greased Lightning. Live up to your name. You're like WD-40 Lightning at the moment. Come on. WD-40 Lightning slowing up. Up, up. There's a left, there's a left. There we go. Ah! Back into the corner. No one puts Greased Lightning in the corner. Oh, there's a big left. Big left from the boss. The boss is taking control. Greased Lightning's technique's gone out the window. There again, and so is the boss. They're holding hands going out the window. The boss has gone into the big right hand. You try and take him out. Take him out, boss. Boss is pegging his gum shirt at the Greased Lightning here. Greased Lightning needs to come forward. Come forward. Oh, yes. Oh, if only he could master those punches. Greased Lightning. If only he could master those punches. The boss would go down like a sack of potatoes. The boss is just leaning on him like an elephant fighting a giraffe. There's the end of the round. That's the end of the fight. I gotta say, I think this one's going to go to the draw. The fat men in the corner all still cheering. Open neck shirts, shirts out. There's a lot of money staying there.
Phenomenal fight tonight, one boys. And our winner.
Get the guys in the centre. There we go. Yeah, yep. Lots of handshaking. Yeah, we've got to shake. Thank everyone. Well, I think that one's gone to the boss. No! How in the hell did that happen? It was not a 100-meter race final. No way in the world. The boss won that a million times over. Oh well, maybe Greased Lightning knows people.